Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix error code if E on LG fridge. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your LG fridge here and you're getting that if E or IFE error code here, so in this case there are going to be a few things you need to know here and you need to do. So specifically, this error is something that is related to with your ice maker or water dispenser. Now, how do you exactly fix this? So first is you want to check the water supply. So you want to ensure that your fridge is connected to a cold water supply with proper pressure. Now make sure the water shut off valve is fully open as well. Next is you want to inspect the fan around the ice maker. Now sometimes obstructions can, in this case, or ice buildup can block the fan. So if you notice any any ice here, you want to manually defrost the area around the fan to keep it running smoothly. Now alternatively, you could basically do a general cleaning here. So you want to remove all or anything that you have inside here and basically defrost your fridge like for a few hours, like maybe like 5 hours or 6 hours, even a day if you can. Usually that should solve the problem. Now, also you might want to take a look at your ice detecting sensor. So in this case, you want to see if any dirt or frost buildup is in there. So in this case, it can interfere with ice production. So it's important to clean it thoroughly to make sure it's working properly. Now, if the error persists, try to reset the code. Simply unplug your fridge, like what I said before, for about 30 seconds or more if you can, and plug it back in. Now, if this is directly or you can't access the back itself, so you might want to go to your breaker, turn that off, and again, wait for a few minutes, then see if that solves your issue. Now, also, you might want to check your doors as well. So, ensure that the refrigerator and freezer doors are sealed properly. So, if they're not, cold air can escape, which can affect ice production. Also, make sure the freezer is not set to 0 Fahrenheit or Celsius, so the recommended temperature here. So, in this case, next is finally just double check that the ice maker is switched on. So once it's on, it can take up to 24 hours to in order for it to start producing ice again. So just be patient. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.